Kobe, man, them niggas don't even know. Man, I pull up with that Glock, bitch, you know I let it blow. My niggas run down on that fuck nigga and up the
I was, I swear I was. Nigga, you think I'm that dude? Your shit just cut off.
And you stopped your shit, cuz.
That's my shit, nigga. Your shit.
But you stopped both our shit.
I pull up with that Glock, bitch, you know I let it blow. My niggas run down on that.
Shit over with, nigga.
That shit over with.
What's good, YouTube, man? Mickeyblg, man, back with another video. You already know what it is, man. At the store right now, you about to be on the way to the range. About to get the bussin'. You already know how we rock, man. Hella guns like to have hella fun, you feel me? Go wash some clothes. And then, you know, we'll be headed to the range in probably like the next hour and 30 minutes. Man, you already know who I got with me, man. I got my little brother with me. You feel me? From the first range video I ever dropped. So, you know, this like some reunite, you know, like we reuniting type stuff, you feel me? Basically be doing like a competition, you feel me? Take a number of shots, probably at the steel, you know, probably double tap the steel, double tap the target, stuff like that, you feel me? Like we really gonna be practicing instead of us just basically going out there and just having fun and, you know, blasting off, just letting it rain. I'm gonna get back with y'all, man, when we get at the range, man, so we can get this shit cracking. Let's go. Gang, look who I just picked up, man. Reuniting today, trying to bring y'all some good content, good gun vlogger content. It ain't a vlog, really a video. Tell them what's up, nigga. Tell them what it is.
What up, YouTube? You already know what it is.
Let this little time pass by so we can go ahead and head out there. I just wanted to show y'all I had just picked bro up, you feel me? Coming from college and shit. You know, future NFL star. So y'all be on the lookout for my job. But yeah, I'm gonna get with y'all when we head down, man. Let's go. I done forgot my fucking headphones. So now my freaking ears is finna die. And they out here shooting big ass guns. Oh my God, bro. But we ain't come out here for no reason, man. Let's go, man. Let's get it, man. It's hurting already.
What up, YouTube? I already know what it is. What Mickey? Ain't here, my 904, man. Y'all go subscribe to my YouTube channel. But today, we got gun range. As you see, again, we got another game. We're gonna be shooting all these. We're gonna shoot no hot rules, but we're gonna shoot FMJ bullets today. We got targets down there. Got a steel target and we got the target.
Basically what we finna do, man, we finna do like a little challenge. We're gonna take 2 shots at the target.
The target that's gonna turn green.
And then we're gonna take 2 shots.
Take the clip out.
We're gonna take 2 shots at the steel as well, you feel me? So in total, we're gonna do 6 shots because we're gonna come back to the target one more time and do another 2 shots, you feel me? We're gonna see who basically do it the best, like who the better shooter is, me and my brother, you feel me?
What up, YouTube? You already know this is your boy Nehemiah 904. Got another bang at the game.
Mickeyblg, man. I already know what it
And
is.
it's cold. As you see, it's cold outside. Can do a cold gun range.
Shooting in that cold weather. I had to put some pants on.
He put,
Yeah. I had that bitch out, you feel me?
But today we're gonna be shooting FMJ bullets. So here it is right here.
We might.
We got new attachments on it, as you can see. Purple trigger.
We got brain farts like the last video.
6 each.
They already busting. So yeah, man, he gonna go first, man. We're gonna see where his aim at. Like I said, look, 2 shots on target, 2 shots at the steel, more shots on target.
All right, 2, 2, and 2.
Let's get it.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
I ain't gonna do shit nobody knows I'm saying.
You said about the aim, like put this in the middle, to the side, to the left, you should see a little bit.
Exactly right. Let me show you on the camera so it can like make more sense. So basically, like that. Like you want it lined up right up under it, but you want to see light on both sides, like equal light on both sides. Take your time to. Two shots at the steel. Shots on target. Come on. All right. Brother can't shoot for shit.
He would have been dead.
He
That's
need-
his body.
he
I
needs
hit
some-
him.
he
I hit
needs
him
some
right in his
target
collarbone,
practice.
right there.
He needs some practice, y'all. Gonna be okay. That's why we out here practicing, man.
Put it on me. I hit him right in his collarbone.
Man, no, man.
If he was the white, I would hit him right on his
If
shit.
that was an intruder, he ain't hitting nothing, man. He hitting straight.
We're gonna be like, CC, your ass dead. I'm hitting your ass all the
He gonna be like Frozone. He just gonna be dodging them bitches, dodging them bitches.
Six.
Right in his
He hit him right in his head.
baby,
That was
let's
his
go.
head. He hit him right up here.
See, he hit the steel probably. He say he hit the steel. We gotta rewind it. He say he hit the steel, but I hit the target. Ain't no reload. Now he get to show us what he gonna do with that 19.
Just wait for it to get sticky.
Let's go, let's get it. Shoot the trigger first, man.
Oh, you can shoot it first.
I can shoot it first?
Get the trigger.
Alright, man, I'm gonna shoot it first, man. You know, just like I upgraded the trigger on the 26, man, I had one upgraded that trigger on the 19. You know how we rockin', man. Damn, bro. Damn, bro.
Nigga ain't hit one time.
Ain't hit nothing, man. I need some help, bro. I need some help. Wish we could bring it closer, man. It's far as hell, bro. It's 20 yards.
Dude, I bet it's out there, boy.
Like 20 yards, bro. Wow, bro. About to reload for him. Bro, it feel real nice.
How you feel not hitting?
How I
How
feel?
nice it is.
Man, I feel like
You
shit.
missed your first time with the pole.
I can't slow down, bro. That's how I feel, bro.
With the new trigger.
I know what I gotta do. I gotta aim low. I'm trying to aim right at it. Aim a little bit low. To the graveyard, nigga. Nigga broke my PS5, y'all. He didn't hit nothing. Missing, y'all. He missing. He talking all that shit about me. He missing. Nothing. Only that headshot that I hit. Come on now. Let's go, gang. We know who the better shooter is, man. It's always gonna be Big Bruh. Like, bro, he not fucking with me.
One time.
At one time better than no time. Hit one time better than no times. Cause I would've hit something.
Hey, I hit still though.
I would've hit something. All right, we back to the 26. So right now, we basically tied. Cause he hit the steel one time and I hit the target one time.
I was finna hit that.
Cause
steel target.
I'm the better shooter, bro.
Right
So what he on? I'm the better shooter. He not, no, bro. No. Target look like that, man. We out here being ass, bro. Ain't hitting shit. And he around here bitching that it's cold. It's gonna be alright, bro. Ain't got no light on this shit. I need to buy a light for this, motherfucker.
Scared, bro.
And that bitch got me wanting to like.
He scared, bro.
Lay down type shit. I ain't scared, bro. This is good business.
Ain't hit shit.
Man, fuck him, bro.
Talking about me.
It's just a little cold outside. See what I'm saying? Bro, I'm embarrassed, bro. It is unacceptable. This is why you come practice, bro. Up close, it'd be a different story.
My turn. Made that big jump shot, crackhead.
It's his turn, bro. He about to miss too, bro. I ain't even worried about nothing. Why you keep doing that?
I'm trying to see where I'm gonna hit at.
Yeah, no, bro. You keep jumping, man. Stop. Oh no, I think you hit that bitch.
Oh, I hit that for shit, nigga.
He hit it.
Stop playing with me, man. Stop playing with me, man.
What's wrong with it? Let me fix the pole, you guys. What happened there, brother? On the target right.
Still target.
more. Come on, 2 more. Let's see what you want, man. No one hand, no one hand. Cuz, man, no one hand. Go ahead and miss, man.
Crazy. I smacked him right there in the middle.
He smacked
Smacked him right there in the middle. Stop pulling on me, man. I'm gonna slide that bitch for sure, nigga.
Let's go.
I'm gonna slide that bitch for sure, nigga.
Let's get it.
Yeah, put me on the video. Hey, put me on the drill. I'm gonna slide that bitch for sure. I'm telling you, boy, hand the gun to me. Anytime we in the car, hand the gun to me. If you wanna slide, nigga, boy, we gonna slide. Oh, my mama, nigga. Scared, boy, scared. I think you got a green beam on your back. What's this, a green beam on that nigga head? I swear to God. Hey, that bit back on his head. Shut up, nigga.
Shut up, bitch.
Shut up, nigga. I got flashlight on him and all.
Look, bro.
Come on. Come on.
Get him up, bro.
Come on.
Look, he want to talk shit, bro. I been feeling shit up out here, boy. This is his first time hearing some shit. He big happy. Looking at this magazine up. You feel me? We about to go out there close, man. I think that's all. That's the whole one in the head. Yeah, one in the head. You got one in the head, bro?
What you think?
It's the whole 15. Nah, that's the whole 15. You got one in the head. We about to go out here close, man. Cause there's nobody out here, as you can see. Nobody out there. We finna get right, man. Finna walk out this bit right now.
He got a flash. Get back to y'all, bro. My direction.
We're gonna do like, I'm gonna do 7. No, we're gonna do 5 yards at first. Man, rock out, man. I wish that laser worked. Let's see what we got, man. Man, damn, son.
This me right here.
Damn,
This
son.
one.
That ain't
This
you.
one and this one. Yes, sir. I shot him right
You
here.
ain't shoot it in the middle, bro. I got the video, nigga. You
I
shot it
shot it.
right here, nigga.
No, I swear I shot him right here.
Bro, we about to go back and rewatch it, bro.
Right, y'all, we gonna see.
I'm telling you, I just hit it right there, and I hit all
I'm talking about
these.
right here. I hit him right here and right here.
He's
Yeah, that's Blake.
my group
That's
was
Blake.
pretty good. I hit it right here on my first shot. If you think, or
That's
that's
me.
Nah, that's Nene shit. So this me right here. So yeah, let's see what my boy Nene could do. I wish we had that
Nah,
damn.
go ahead and kill yours.
I ain't no killer. I'm about to come point blank in a minute.
You ain't reloaded.
Fuck wrong with it, you? YouTube, my
Come
shit.
on, my toes, bro. My
Bro,
shit
my
red.
shit fucking up, cuz. What you want me to do?
Damn, it's these right there, cuz.
Good piece.
Pull it back. Oh no, that bit hitting the top of it right there.
That bit tweaking, that's all I know. Man, that bit done broke YouTube. What it look like. I don't wanna, yeah. Oh, my back plate came down a little bit. Oh, well, see?
He fixed it.
I was about to get so fucking mad out here.
You see the moon, man. We got this bitch late night, man. Feel me? You see the sunrise at that bitch. Let go. Hurry up, nigga. Told you about doing that shit. You gotta hit still, man. What the hell, you? Yeah, don't keep shooting them bitches at that. Be a ricochet hit one of her dumb ass. Boy hit, you feel me? Went a little crazy. Go to it, see where he hit at first.
We're gonna put a little picture on the screen.
Bomb. That's where he hit at. All right.
Right-handed shooters always do this though. We always pull to the side. That's why you gotta pull the trigger straight back. Don't pull it like this way or that way or be jumpy and shit like my brother Nene be doing.
What the fuck going on? Catch a
Hold
nigga
on.
like that. You already got a nigga. Already got a nigga out like this. Catch a nigga at the store. Look, nigga gonna be talking crazy shit on the net. You diss your home like shit. Catch his ass. Catch his ass like in that store, man. Stop playing with me, boy.
Alright, he wanna play with me here.
Stop playing with me, boy.
Let me see. Quick, I'm right back. I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. What you did?
Man, I just fought his ass, man. Man, look at that shit. Ate his ass up, man.
Ooh, that's good. Intervention!
Man, stop playing with me.
Educational purposes only.
She had a little
No, let me get that.
I'm recording on my phone.
Yes, I was. I swear I was. Nigga, you think I'm that dumb? Your shit just cut off. My shit, nigga, your shit
Bro, you
still
stopped
going.
both our shit.
Shit over with, nigga.
That shit over with,
Stop
man.
playing with me, boy.
Yes, sir. You know we had to come back, man, and
Stop
get
playing
right,
with me, boy.
man.
I hit his ass all. Oh, my.
Come on,
We hit
man.
his ass. God.
That shit would have been over with.
You a dead nigga, boy. Oh, we ate all that shit. I got hit up.
Don't be on the left side of that car. Me and Nene love that left side.
Just a dead nigga, boy.
We love that left side.
But thanks y'all boys for watching, man.
You already know it's Mickeyblg, man. We gotta do this outro blast.
Yeah, G, man. Y'all go subscribe to his YouTube channel, man.
I'm gonna definitely put a link in the description of his shit. So
Boy,
look at it.
My boy done
You
got...
tell me if it was successful. You know what I'm saying? This is what we came
Hey,
out here to do.
I'm proud of my brother for running it up on YouTube, man. Getting back on the shit.
Definitely
Tomorrow
gotta
gonna be
follow
back,
my brother
so-
as well, man.
Tonight, I'm gonna try to edit a video and then drop that bitch
Man,
tonight.
legendary game, man. Everybody legend in their own way. Man, if you got guns and stuff like that, man, make sure you practice with them, man. Don't just say that you can shoot. Go out here and really practice. If your target ain't looking like that, man, you doing
Put
something.
this shit on your chest, nigga.
You doing something wrong, my nigga.
Nigga, this you. If you
yeah.
run up, this you. Where you at? That's your heart, boy.
It's over with.
Yeah, damn, man.
It's over with.
That concludes today's video. Gonna be back tomorrow at the gun range, man. Y'all stay tuned, man. Y'all bangers, man. Y'all just stay down, man. He gonna be dropping the bitches, man. Y'all subscribe, like, comment, share the video with your friends, and share the video with your ops, cause this how you gonna do them. Fuck 'em.
Kobe, man, them niggas don't even know. And I pull up with that Glock, bitch, you know I let it blow. And my niggas run down on that fuck.